And welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So actually I was about to take some photos for my lash business. I need to take some Instagram photos as well as some photos from my website, and I was just like, I need to make some YouTube content, so why not just go ahead and make this into a YouTube content. So if most of you know, as I put in some of my videos, I do have a lash business by moyartistry. I'll go ahead and put that link in the description box down below as well as on the screen. Like, the website is www.moyartistry.com, as well as the Instagram is moyartistry. So yeah, currently I have on the lashes Baby Girl, if you guys can see that. So this is from the new collection that I'll be taking lashes for the website. I have a few stuff that I'll be using. I already gathered it, and currently I'm gonna take these on my white rug, and then I also have like gray wood on the floor. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use that as well. So as you can see, these are all the different lash styles that I have currently for this launch. I have a few props right here that I will be using. I'm not going to take all of them like that at once. I have like these plants right here, which are actually cute, and since my original theme is gold and black, it's only for this collection that like the paper beneath is like has that holographic kind of color, but originally it is gold and black, as you can see. So the next thing that I have is this right here, which is like, it's got the gold right here, so kind of like, it's kind of nice. Alright, so that was me like taking some on the fur and seeing how that looks with like with my plants and stuff like that. So now what I'm gonna do is try to take some on the floor, because I have like these nice gray wooden floor. Okay, so I'm currently on the floor, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take these photos on the floor. It's like a pretty tight space, but I just want to show you guys how I take these photos. Hopefully they'll come out good, and like different like ideas behind. And that's it for this video, guys. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if this was helpful to you. Yeah, so I'll insert some of the photos that I took. I think I'm actually proud of how they came out, so I'm gonna go ahead and have those uploaded to my Instagram as well as my website. And guys, go ahead and get you some bomb ass lashes and support your girl. Goody, go buy some lash them. Support your girl, buy some lashes, you know. But yeah, like I said, this one that I'm wearing is Baby Girl, and it is part of the new collection that I'll be adding to the website, so check that out. Get you some, go get you some, baby girl. Baby girl, go get you some, baby girl. But yeah, that's it for this video. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Also hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another video. And yeah, that's it guys. See you in the next one. Bye.